Okay, good morning, 9th class children. Today we are completing our atomic structure. These are the diagrams uh, we have in the examination. What is the shape of an s orbital? The shape of the s orbital is dumbbell. The shape of the orbital is spherical shape. So I have drawn a diagram here and explain how I draw the diagram here. What is draw the shape of s orbital? First of all, you have to draw a circle here. Then you draw x-axis and you draw y-axis and you have to draw z-axis. This is the diagram of the s orbital. Okay, this orbital is in the shape of spherical shape. So the shape of the s orbital is the spherical shape. Next one, draw the shapes of p orbital. There are in p orbital we have already know that in Hunsur also we have px, py and pz. So I have to draw three diagrams for the p orbital. Px, Py and Pz. I have drawn three diagrams here. I have to draw another time how I get it. Okay. I have to draw x-axis and y-axis, and you have to draw a dumbbell. All you know that some of the athletes or some of the persons are doing exercises with the dumbbell. So the P orbital is the shape of a dumbbell. P orbital is in the shape of a dumbbell shape. So you have to draw a dumbbell on the px. Dumbbell means you have to draw here. So I have to observe all of you. I have drawn a dumbbell on the x-axis. You have to draw like that. You have to draw on only x-axis, not on y-axis. So it is called, you have to draw on the dumbbell on the x-axis, so it is called as px. You have here x and y orbitals of the x-axis and y-axis, there is no z-axis, so you have to draw z-axis on the dotted line. This is the shape of ps orbital. If you draw the py orbital, then you have to take y and z and draw the symbol of dumbbell on the y orbital, and here if you draw the dumbbell on the y orbital, it is called as py orbital. Then here y axis is there, z axis, there is no x axis, you have to draw the x axis in the dotted line. This is called as py. And after that another one is pz orbital. So I have to draw two axes here, z axis and x axis. You have to draw a dumbbell on the z axis here, so it is called as a pz. It is called as a pz. You have to draw a dumbbell on the pz. You have to draw a dumbbell on the px. It is called as a px orbital. If you draw the dumbbell on the y axis, it is called as py. If you draw the dumbbell on the z axis, it is called as pz. This is the shape of p orbital. Here z axis and x axis are there. There is no y axis. You have to draw the dotted line y-axis under between them. So these px, py, pz are the shapes of the orbital. We have that asked for 2 marks. We get this question for 2 marks. Okay. Next, another one is draw the shapes of d orbital. Okay, we get there are 5 shapes. We already know that there are d orbital. There are five shapes are there. So here is the dxy, dyz, dzx, ds square y square and dz square. The shape of the d orbital, there are two dumbbells are there. It is called a double dumbbell. The shape of the d orbital is double dumbbell. Okay, I have explained how to draw these diagrams. Okay, here I have to draw two axes. Here it is called as x-axis and it is called as a y-axis. Do not draw the dumbbell on these axes. మీరు యాక్సెస్ మీద డంబెల్ గీయకూడదు. మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా ద డంబెల్ ఆన్ దిస్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ గ్యాప్స్. ఈ గ్యాప్స్ నుంచి మీరు గీయాలి. సో ఐ హావ్ డ్రా ద డంబెల్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ గ్యాప్ అండ్ ఐ హావ్ డ్రాన్ అనదర్ డంబెల్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ గ్యాప్. So these two dumbbells are between the x-axis and x-axis and y-axis. It is called as dxy. It is called as a dxy. If the if you draw the dumbbells in between y-axis and z-axis, sorry, you have to draw in between these axes. You not draw on the x-axis, on the axes. Okay. If you draw the two dumbbells between the axes. Next, here x and y is there and no z-axis is there, so we have to put the z-axis in the dotted line. So here dxy, dyz and dzx, both are, these three diagrams are same, but axes are different. Next one is ds square y square. If you draw the x-axis and y-axis, here I draw the x-axis and y-axis. I draw the diagram on the x-axis on one. I draw the one dumbbell on the x-axis and I draw another dumbbell on the y-axis. So it is called as ds square y square. ds square y square. Okay. Next one. You have to take two axes. Here I take z-axis and y-axis. There. I have drawn only on the z-axis. I have drawn the dumbbell on only z-axis. Z-axis mother dumbbell gisanu. And here I have placed a dotted lines of electrons spin around this. Here the electrons are spin around the nucleus. Nucleus chuttu tirugutu untayi. So around the orbital electrons tirugutu untayi. So I have to draw the spins also. The dotted line spins kuda chupinchali manam. So it is called as dz square. Yeah. So because why this is z square? This is on the z-axis. Dumbbell is on the z-axis, so it will be called as dz square. So there are 5 diagrams are there for the shapes of diameter. This diagram is for 5 marks.